Hello student, welcome to this new video lecture related to transformation. While we are studying tenses, we have already studied how to transform the tenses of present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite. Now we are going to study about present continuous tense. So in the series of present continuous tense, we shall discuss about yes or no type questions and WS type questions. So what is the topic of the day? Present continuous tense, where we have to discuss yes or no type questions along with WH type questions. Yes or no type questions, you all must remember, I have already told you. In present continuous tense, we use is, am, are along with fourth form of verb. So, in present continuous tense, that is yes or no type questions, what is going to be the rule for us? The rule that we have is am or are. First of all, is am are plus subject plus V4 plus object and then question mark. This is going to be the rule for us. Then how to make sentences? It is very easy to make such sentences. So let me tell you. Example number 1. Is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister? Is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister? So is MR, then subject, then V4, then object, and this is complement. So is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister is a sentence in present continuous tense, yes or no type questions. Am I teaching online? Am I teaching online? So this is another example. Am is MR, subject that is I, with I we use am. Fourth form of verb that is V4, that is ing form of verb, online. Are you watching the videos provided by me? Are you watching the videos provided by me? Is Rasmi preparing for her online exam. Is Rasmi preparing for her online exam? Are the students, for students we use are the students running in the class? Are the students running in the class? Is he teasing that old man in the street? Are they giving a trophy? Are they giving a trophy to the winners of quiz? Are they giving a trophy to the winners of quiz? So if I tell you about all these sentences, what is noticeable here? First thing, the rule you must remember is am, are, then subject, then V4, and then object. So what we have to notice, with singular subject we use is with I, am. With plural subjects we use are. So here you can notice is he, am, I, are, you. You is also supposed to be plural. Is singular. Rasmi, are the students. Is he singular. Are they, are plural. So you have to keep only these things in mind before changing, before making such sentences. And not only this will help you in making such sentences, this will help you in changing, in transformation as well. Suppose you got a sentence in present continuous tense affirmative and you are asked to change the sentence into interrogative yes or no type, you can easily change it. Suppose you have the same sentence, is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister, and you were asked to change it into affirmative. Then how you change? He is writing a letter to the Prime Minister. That will be affirmative. Negative, he is not writing a letter to the Prime Minister. So in this way, this will help you in changing the kinds of sentences as well. Affirmative to negative, negative to interrogative, yes or no type. And furthermore, we shall discuss about interrogative WS type. So let's see, let me tell you. Rule WH type. What is going to be the rule for WH type? for WH type, we need WH word plus is or am or are plus subject plus before plus object and then question mark. So what is the change? A little bit change we need, nothing else. That is WH word. We have to add WH word just before the rule we have discussed. How? We are taking the same examples. He writing a letter to the Prime Minister. What was the sentence? Is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister? Why is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister? Now it is changed into yes or no type to WS type. It is changed into WS type sentence. I teaching online. Am I teaching online? Why am I teaching online? Why am I teaching online? You watching the videos provided by me. Are you watching the videos provided by me? It was a sentence. When are you? When are you watching the videos provided by me? Next, Rasmi preparing for her online exam. Is Rasmi preparing for her online exam? Where is Rasmi preparing for her online exam? Whether at home or at Allahabad or at Delhi or anywhere. The students running in the class. Are the students running in the class? So why are the students running in the class? Because there is no teacher. He teasing that old man in the street. Is he teasing? It was a sentence. Is he teasing that old man in the street? When is he? Or why is he? How is he teasing that old man in the street? And now the last one that we have the sentence, they giving a trophy to the winners of quiz. Are they giving a trophy to the winners of quiz? So what we have to add? We have to add a simple WH word. How? What are, no, not what are, why are, or when are they giving a trophy to the winners of quiz? So what you have to do? You have to do when are they giving a trophy to the winners of quiz. So in this way you will solve it, and you can easily change all these sentences into affirmative. Suppose I am taking the example of why is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister in negative. He is not writing a letter to the Prime Minister. Interrogative, yes or no type. Is he writing a letter to the Prime Minister? Affirmative, he is writing a letter to the Prime Minister. The last one, if we talk about the last one, when are they giving a trophy to the winners of quiz? Are they giving a trophy to the winners of the quiz? They are not giving a trophy to the winners of the quiz. They are giving trophy to the winners of quiz. So in this way, you have to solve such sentences. That's all in this video. Thank you very much.